Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and I'm pretty sure you could tell I'm feeling a lot better. Maybe it's the haircut, who knows? But I also know the following. I do know the following, I should say. It's 4 o'clock, the markets, they're closed. It's time to run out of here and celebrate happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, after 2 days of major losses, stocks trading sharply higher this Wednesday afternoon, rebounding from a strong 2-day sell-off as corporate earnings continued to beat expectations. Now, the Dow Jones even trading as high as 261 points on the upside, led by shares of Boeing, which did contribute more than half of those gains. Boeing, in fact, taking off nearly 6%, reaching an all-time high today. Now, the major indices fell sharply the previous 2 sessions, with the Dow falling more than 500 points in the last 2 days. Rising yields also putting stocks under pressure the past 2 days, lifting concerns over whether or not higher rates could kill off the bull market. Wall Street also turning to Washington, D.C. with the Federal Reserve's latest monetary policy decision, and as expected, rates remain the same, but we also say goodbye to Janet Yellen in what is her last Fed meeting as Fed chair, with Jerome Powell taking her place shortly. Goodbye, Janet Yellen, we hardly knew ye. Meanwhile, in economic news, ADP and Moody's Analytics said private companies adding 234,000 jobs in January, and Chicago PMI falling slightly in January, while pending home sales figures rose 0.5% in December. When you combine all of this, let's take a look down to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the more than halfway point of the trading week. And with that stated, kick back, relax. I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. As a matter of fact, I missed the Islanders game yesterday. I'm glad I did, because they lost 4-1, because I had to watch the State of the Union speech. And yeah, that's my job. I have to watch it. I can't really share any bias. But it was a presidential speech. For Modern Wall Street saying, I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. I'm James Sweeney.